Composite Warehouse Prometheus. This is a 3-inch diameter rocket, 6 feet long, weighs 6.5 pounds. And this is going up on an I-170. And chute recovery. Alright, Kyle, you ready? Alright, 2-5, armed, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, nice slow liftoff. Arching over, and we need something to happen. Alright, shoots out, nice. Alright, I think that's going to come right at us, so you guys keep an eye on that. Let me know if it's going to be a danger. Okay, and on the right hand side on 2, well, it's electrically 2-6. It's the one there by number 3. Kelly Brulin is going to try to get his noodle up.